Hello. Today we have the Thermaltake PCI-E 3.0 X16 riser cable on our table. Welcome to our channel. If you are new, we would be very happy about the subscription. As you can already see in the background, the packaging of the cable is kept very simple. The cable is wrapped in industry standard anti-static film. We only see the product name at the top of the packaging. In the back we see that the cable is 200 mm long. Then let's unpack the part. Here is a protection against moisture. Then we have a description. Now to the interesting and important part, the riser itself. At first glance, the quality seems okay. The socket itself looks fine. But as you can see here, the cable is obviously a foil that was clamped on the contacts. Here you can see the small brown area that looks out under the clamp. Unfortunately, I think that this could have been solved better. The clamp is also riveted, which makes adjustment impossible. Otherwise the socket clicks into the place cleanly. The cable itself is covered in some kind of fabric. But on one side you can see the overlapping of the fabric. This should therefore be glued. Unfortunately, I have to make a point of criticism here. When you bend the cable, unsightly folds appear here. This could certainly have been solved better. Now to the counterpart of the connector. This is protected by the factory with a blue plastic strip. But here too you can see the brown foil under the clamp. The contacts themselves look fine again. My conclusion. The cable could certainly have been implanted a little nicer. Yes, it definitely does its job. But I don't like the cable design itself, and above all, at the price point. Thermaltake could definitely have done better on this. However, if only the function is important to you, so the cable fulfills these, but nothing more. Therefore, due to Thermaltake's quality and price range, I can only give a split recommendation. Everyone has to decide for themselves what is more important to them. for watching. If you also have an opinion about the cable, then put it in the comments. We are also happy to read your opinion. See you next time.